Hey guys, this is Fuzzbuzz coming to you from Halfeti in Urfa. Halfeti is well known. This lake has risen and sort of risen above the village, and it's very touristic. Very touristic. People are going to come here and go on boat cruises. The middle of nowhere, as you can see, very barren. Very barren. We're about to go on a boat cruise just down there and see the village that's underwater.
Hello from Halfeti. Subscribe our channel.
Gönlümün gözü çıksın, gönlümün gözü çıksın. Sevmeseydim ezelden, sevmeseydim ezelden. Anam ola.
Hey guys, this is Fuzzbuzz. This is Halfeti, and we're coming up to the main attraction in Halfeti. This is Batık. Batık means flooded, drowned, submerged in water. And this village here is submerged in water. As you can see, the minare, the tower of the mosque, is in the water, and underneath there's lots of houses that were flooded, lost, and they're still under the water. And it's a village that's disappeared. They've moved now, nothing's here, just an attraction. People come here to have a look, and yeah, so check it out guys, and it is absolutely beautiful. In the middle of nowhere it is, in the middle of nowhere. Enjoy.
Olasan Ömer, yetim kalasan Ömer, bensiz olasan Ömer. Anam olasan Ömer, babam olasan Ömer, yetim kalasan Ömer, bensiz olasan Ömer. Urfa bir yana düşer, Antep bir yana düşer, Zülüfkar dağına düşer, Zülüfkar dağına düşer. Vay. Bu nasıl baş bağlamak, bu nasıl baş bağlamak, her gün bir yana düşer, her gün bir yana düşer. Vay. Anam olasan Ömer, babam olasan Ömer, yetim kalasan Ömer, bensiz olasan Ömer. Vay. Anam olasan Ömer, babam olasan Ömer, yetim kalasan Ömer, bensiz